Hello, I'm Calum from Ambient Underfloor Heating and welcome back to Heat Hacks. We get a lot of questions about people having issues with hot and cold spots on their heating, especially if it's upstairs on the first or second floor. This can be an issue if your manifold is positioned on the ground floor and is trying to pump water upstairs. It can get air caught in the system, which then will cause a blockage and reduce your flow rate or just completely stop your flow rate so you're not getting any hot water. So what you can do is you can go to your manifold and go onto your flow bar. There is a release valve and you should have a little key to open the valve and release the air until you get a bit of water coming out. You can also then buy a automatic valve which will be installed in your system upstairs, which will periodically release the air in the system and you won't get any blockages anymore. So yeah, thank you for watching. There's another episode of Heat Hacks. Stay tuned for more on the Ambient YouTube channel and check out the support email and phone number below. Thank you.